Hello everyone. I, Shivani Gehlot, is here to present the final year project with my team partners Shiva Goyal and Prashant Yadav under the guidance of Mrs. Archana Sharma. Our project is a gaming application named Specific Warrior. This is a Windows gaming application which can be played in third person perspectives. It is an action game and is full of adventures. The main aim of the character is to survive till the end of the game to win it. The game has one main character and several enemies, health, stamina, coins, explosives, and 5 different map levels. It also has a feature to change the graphics. The player can experience 3 types of weapons. The player can win the game by creating their own tactics and approaches to finish all the levels and defeat the enemies. This game is different from other games in the sense that it has different character maps, levels, and actions. We used 4 types of tools in this game: Unreal Engine 4, C++ language, Unreal Engine Blueprint, and Epic Games. Unreal Engine 4 is the most powerful real-time 3D creation platform. It is developed by Epic Games, first showcased in the 1998 first-person shooter game, initially developed for PC. It has been used in a variety of genres of three-dimensional games and has seen adoption by other industries, most notably the film and television industry. Written in C++ language, the Unreal Engine features a high degree of portability, supporting a wide range of desktop, mobile, console, and virtual reality platforms. The latest generation is UE4, that is Unreal Engine 4, which we used in this game. Unreal Engine was used to build games like Battle Royale mode in Fortnite, Ninja's Theory, etc., and films like The Lion King. Unreal Engine Blueprint is a blueprint visual scripting system in Unreal Engine. It is a complete gameplay scripting system based on the concept of using a node-based interface to create gameplay elements from within Unreal Editor. As with many common scripting languages, it is used to define object-oriented classes or objects in the engine. As we use UE4, so the objects defined using Blueprint are informally referred to as just blueprints. This system is extremely flexible and powerful as it provides the ability for designers to use virtually the full range of concepts and tools, and generally only available to programmers. In addition, blueprint-specific markup available in Unreal Engine's C++ implementation enables programmers to create baseline systems that can be extended by designers. We use Unreal Engine Blueprint as to drag and drop commands for the menu and the buttons to start and quit the game. Epic Games. It is a digital video game storefront for Microsoft Windows and Mac OS operated by Epic Games. It was launched as both a website and a standalone launcher, of which the latter is required to download and play games. We use it as a marketplace and learning platform to learn how to create games. We also used C++ language. We have added the base gameplay systems that can help to build upon or with to create the custom gameplay for a level or the game. We worked in Blueprint Editor within UE4. The gameplay API and framework classes are available to both of these systems, which can be used separately, but show their true power when used in conjunction to complement each other. We used 20 different classes to create different features of this game, like stamina and health of the player, moves of the player, coins pickup, use of the weapons, floating platforms, level transition volume to change the level, moves of the enemies, explosives, designing of maps and setting up, etc. We use different libraries of C++ like level transition volume dot generated dot h to change the levels, EngineWorld.h, animation AimInstance.h, weapon.h to create and working of the weapons, etc. Benefits of this type of game are increase in reading skills, improvement in visual spatial skills, improvement in problem solving skills, better social connections, and it is also refreshes mind. Now about the game. This is the main character of the game which performs swordsmanship or sword fighting, which refers to skills of the swordsman, and that is a person who is versed in the art of the sword. The term is modern and as such was mainly used to refer the small swords fencing. These are the enemies, two types of spiders and two types of minions. These are the weapons which are swords. These are coins and health. The starting of the game consists of a page with three buttons: start button, options button, and game button. Sorry, quit button. Start button to start the game. Options button has the graphics buttons low, medium, and high, and a quit button to quit the game. There are five types of map: first, second, third, fourth, and this is the fifth one. This is the ending page which consists two buttons: restart button and quit button.